my battery's about to die, so hold on. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, let's just address the elephant in the room. No, you have not seen a Black Friday haul yet. I'm still waiting on one more order. I'm pretty sure you all can guess which company that is. So just know once all of that comes in, you all will be seeing my Black Friday haul. I appreciate your patience. Hopefully I'll have that up sometime before the new year. Regardless, today I'm coming through just to do another flat twist style. You all really enjoyed my last flat twist into a bantu knot video, so I'm coming through with a different kind of variation on that. This time, instead of me making the entire bottom portion of the flat twisted bantu knot, I just did a hanging bantu knot. If you are not familiar, the hanging bantu knot is literally just on the very ends of your twist or braid. I did shampoo and deep condition my hair last night. I applied my leave-in and then I fell asleep. So today my hair is practically dry. So to rehydrate my hair and make it a little more malleable for me to work with, I am going in and spraying my hair with my favorite refresher, which is the Camille Rose Lavender Shaken Hair Spritzer. So I focus the lavender hair spritzer towards the roots and the very ends of my hair and kind of work it throughout the mid shaft. I then went in and finger detangled my hair and removed any shed hair. And then to moisturize my hair, I go in with the Miche Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. Just like my last flat twisting video, I do apply the moisturizer towards the root of my hair as well as toward the very ends of my hair. And then I went in with my tools just to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth and detangled. To finish off the twist and the hanging bantu knots, I do apply a little bit of foam towards the end. You all know I love to use a foam. Today I am using the Miracle 9 Honey and Avocado Mousse. And just to make sure that the base of the flat twists are nice and secure to my head, I am going in with bobby pins. My hair is already sectioned off how I want to wear it. So I'm just going to finish this last section on camera. I find that doing 2 tiers of flat twist actually gives me a better shape. Not that I had an issue with definition or the shape of my hair by doing just 1 level of flat twist in the back, but I just kind of like it a little better when I do 2 levels of flat twist. So as you can see, I have a base of flat twist on the bottom and then another layer of flat twist right on top of that. I also noticed that the curl pattern has a little more consistency when I do the 2 levels of twist. So I did do that in the back. So now I just have this section. Again, my leave-in is already applied and my hair is practically dry. As usual, all of the products as well as the tools will be linked in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and finish this section on camera. This isn't about perfection. We just want the parts to be nice and clean. So I'm going to go in with the Lavender Shaken Hair Spritzer from Camille Rose, and I'm focusing it toward the root and the very ends of my hair, just to kind of rehydrate it. And it gives me a little slip so that way I can finger detangle and remove any shed hair. It's super moisturizing. It instantly gives my hair some shine. Next, I'm going to go in with the Miche Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. Let me just say that I did not order this for Black Friday. I will be sure to mention in my Black Friday haul how I got this. But for now, we're going to go in and use this. And I'm going to use this the same exact way I used the Almond Joy Twisting Butter in my last flat twist video. At the roots and at the very ends. And so I'm really working that in. Make sure my hair is nice and moisturized and smooth. And then once I work in the twisting butter, I'm going to go in with this Denman mock-up from Curlbox. I actually got this mock Denman from Curlbox when I ordered the Ottawa shampoo. They just, I guess, threw it in the box as like a free gift. And then I'm going to go in and flat twist. Once I'm all out of hair to grab, I go in with the Miracle 9 Honey and Avocado Mousse, and I apply that to the very ends of my hair. Then I'll proceed with twisting the twist down to the very end. Okay, so this is how my twist is looking so far. Mind you, I have not let go of the grip in an effort to maintain the definition and keep the texture even. So at the very end, I'm going to grab like maybe an inch or two from the very ends of my twists and twist that portion into a Bantu knot. And once I have it there, I kind of slide it down and that locks it into place. Still haven't let go of the base of the twist. Now I'm going to go in with a bobby pin just to kind of make sure that the roots lay flat. And that's what we're working with. So I'm going to do those same exact steps with the remaining hair, and then I'll come back for the takedown. So let's do a quick recap. So you all know that I applied my leave-in conditioner and then fell asleep, so my hair was practically dry. So I went in with the Camille Rose Naturals Lavender Shaken Hair Spritzer and just get it. Like, just buy it. You probably can't even tell, but I'm practically down to the last like third of the bottle. I love this. I use it all the time when I need a refresh. It's great for wash and goes. It's great for if you want to retwist or rebraid. It's just great for rehydrating the hair and giving you some extra moisture and some shine. So after I refreshed my hair with the lavender spritz, I did go in with the Miche Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. I was actually fairly surprised by this. Definitely wouldn't classify this as a butter. It's definitely more of a creamy moisturizer. It does say that it's made with kupuasu and mango butter, so I just thought that it would be a thicker, heavier texture, but it's definitely more of a creamy lotion. This was very moisturizing, and it did start to define my hair as I applied it. It also gave me a little bit of slip, so that way I was able to get my comb and my brush through my hair to make it nice and smooth for the twist. So this I'll definitely keep in my rotation. Really love this. My hair is nice and soft and shiny, and this was so moisturizing I didn't even need to use any oil to take my hair down. Of course, you all know that I love to use mousse as a styler, and this one has been in my rotation in a couple of my videos. The Miracle 9 Honey and Avocado Mousse. It just works. I will say that one pump of this product goes an extremely long way. It can have a bit of a tacky feeling, but once your hair dries down, your hair just feels super moisturized. There's lots of volume and shine. The body is undeniable, and it gives me great definition. I know this is another flat twist video, but like I said, braid outs might be canceled. You all know that I just got my hair cut and shaped, And flat twists are just doing it for me right now. Like, look at, yes. You all be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy your holiday season, or at least enjoy a nice paid day off. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.